India's IT capital, Bengaluru, woke up to a cold Monday morning with the weather agency recording a minimum temperature of 13.9 degrees Celsius, the lowest reported in November in a decade. According to the India Meteorological Department, the Garden City recorded a maximum temperature of 25.2 degrees Celsius and a minimum of 13.9 degrees Celsius. The minimum temperature at HAL Airport Station was as low as 12.5 degrees Celsius, while Bengaluru International Airport Station reported 14.7 degrees Celsius. The IMD said the last time the month of November saw the mercury dip so low in Bengaluru was on November 21, 2012, when the temperature was recorded at 13.3 degrees Celsius. However, the all-time record is 9.6 degrees Celsius. According to the Met Office forecast, the skies will be generally cloudy for the next 48 hours.